stay with me. Hi, can you see me? Okay, let's open some packages. Okay. Alright guys, so let's do this. Alright, so hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, by the title, actually I don't really know what the title is, but we're unboxing. We have a giant shoe unboxing haul. I'm so excited to be doing this. I'm super grateful and blessed, and I wouldn't be able to work with these companies without you guys. So I just want to say thank you to you guys. I'm so grateful, and this is so surreal, and it's just like so weird. It's crazy to me that I still like get sent stuff, and I can't thank you guys enough. I love you so much, and thank you for these opportunities. But before we get all sentimental and stuff, I want to open this box up. This is from Fashionkicks. I've actually gotten stuff sent to me before from them, and I actually love their stuff. I have a coupon code. It is just Brooke10. I will put it here on the screen. You guys can get money off your purchase. All the information for all the items I got will be in the description bar below, as well as for the items that I got. So we have two big boxes here. That's a knife. We have two big boxes. This one, and hopefully my address isn't on there. We're just gonna do it that way. We got two boxes here. Okay, they're pretty big, but let's open it up and see what's inside of these. I'm so excited. Okay, let's do this one first. The knife. They really taped this box up. I'm guessing because Customs opened it. But let's not break anything. Okay, guys. I'm so excited. Okay, we'll just open one at a time, like an unboxing. That's fun and fresh, right? Okay. Yeah. Anyways, we have this one here. It's Prada, but this is very exciting. Opening it. So we have like some paper. I don't know. We have a nice little sleeve bag that says Prada. Some Prada paper here, and I'm pooping my pants. Okay. You guys, when I tell you I wanted these, okay, I wanted these so bad, but they're like $2,500. Yeah, my bank account said no. So I'm really excited. I have to put these on like ASAP Rocky, but look how cute these are. Like, do you see this? The quality, amazing. I love. It has a little bag. Guys, I'm gonna be looking cute. No one speak to me in these, and it has like the little look. Anyways, these are just so cute. So we have a pair, obviously, and both of them have the bags on. These are just so me. Like, if this isn't a me shoe, I don't know what is. I just love my clunky, like chunky boots. I also wanted the beige version of these, but I just got the black pair for now. Let's put these on my feet now, because I have socks on. So let's put these on. How do you even get these on? Me, this is like the first time I'm putting on shoes. I got it on my foot. Look, it's cute. We have the little bit. Okay, the bag's hanging. It's supposed to be there. We have this one here. Guys, I'm so excited. They're Jordan lows. I wanted these. Look, they're beautiful. But these are Jordan lows. I love my Jordans, lows, highs, whatever I can get my hands on. But these I wanted because they match my one sweater. They're such good quality, guys. Again, they're just super nice. You can just see. Got the Jordan logo. There we go. Nike, we love that. So yeah, got my Jordan lows. Super cute. My dog is watching me, but it's okay. I'll show you guys a little clip. He's watching me. Harley. Yeah, do you guys see me in the camera? Hi. Okay, this is like Christmas. Oh my god. Okay, this one. Ooh, what is this? What is this? Miss Dior. Period. Oh, I was looking at this online. My brother was like, you have to get it. And it's a chain. It's like a choker that says Dior. Can you? I have to focus. Guys. Like, she's bougie. Bougie on a budget. It looks so cute. I love the detailing in it. The rhinestones. So, okay, should we put this on? Oh, period. Period. She's expensive. Oh, the shoes. The main guys, I'm so... These are the lucky green ones. Okay, these are Jordans. Again, I love... The shoelaces are in here. They're just in here. But look at this green. I've been wanting these for so long, and they're so sick. I love them. And these are such good quality, guys. I got my mochas from this website as well. They sent it to me, and they're like, I wear them so often, and they wear in so good. So these I'm so excited for. They're so sick. We got the red Jordan logo. These are just so sick. Everyone knows these are iconic, and I'm so excited to wear these. So I just want to put on all of these. I know like my thing isn't, I know the shoelaces aren't tied, but period. And I have a sweatsuit to match this. You guys are not ready for summer 2022. One more box in this box. This is Alexander Mcqueen. These actually aren't mine. These are my brother's. I got these for him because, you know, why not? I hope these are his size. He'll have to try them on. Oh, these are definitely his size. Okay, I was kind of iffy about these because I was like, they just look like regular like shoes. And he's like, no, they're Alexander McQueen's. But they're actually pretty nice. They have like a velvet back, which is really nice. That says Alexander McQueen right there. These feel very expensive, and these are very nice. He better not dirty these because these are all white shoes. Sir, if you're watching this, please be careful because these are very nice. But yeah, hopefully he likes these. I think they're so nice. They're really good quality. They're actually very like heavy quality, like heavy duty. But he wanted these, so now he has it. That's cool. Okay, opening the next box. This in here. This in here. I feel like the way I'm holding this knife isn't safe, but okay, let's get into this. Well, this one here, I think these are Jordan 4s. Jordan Retro 4s. I think these are my brother's. Oh my god, he's gonna love these. These are for my brother as well. These are Jordan 4s. These are just like the blackout ones. They're so sick. He's gonna love these. Do you see that? It's like all suede. These are so sick. It's making me want to get an all blackout one. I don't think I have a blackout shoe. Maybe I'll get this one next time because these are sick. I really like these. Wow. And the smell, I don't know why shoe smells like a new shoe. It just smells good. I'm probably weird for that, but yeah, these are these shoes. They're so sick. My brother are gonna love these. It has the Jordan logo on the back, Jordan logo on the front. Got it all around blue U. We got the Jordan underneath. Oh, he's gonna be so excited for these. And thank you to the team on Fashionkicks. You guys are literally so amazing. Thank you for working with me again. I appreciate you guys, and your products are so good, so thank you. I got myself a pair of Jordan 4 retros because I love them. I love the style. Like I said, do I have a 4s? No, I think I have 3s. I have 3s, but I wanted a pair of 4s, and I don't have any like blue, white these are just sick. Like guys, literally, I don't need to explain it. Now I have to get a matching tracksuit to match these. Anyways, I need to get a matching tracksuit to match the blue because I'm a freak like that, and I love getting matching sets to match my shoes. I'm just weird. Actually, no, that's normal for me. But these are so sick, you guys. These 4s, like, look, so me and my brother are twinning on the 4s, except he has the all black. These are just so sick. I love these, and again, the quality is so good. Like the rubber on these, so good. I have so many shoes from them, and I wear them like on the daily. So these, I love these, and I don't have a white sneaker from Jordan, so these are sick. Oh, and this one has like the tag. Yeah, we got that there, and then guys, we're down to the last 2 shoes. Oh, this next pair. I'm so excited, you guys. Okay, I got the Panda Dunks. I got the Panda Dunks. I don't have any black and white shoes. I just needed some basic like black and white, and these are so sick, you guys. I know everyone has them, but like they're not overrated. Okay, you need a good black and white sneaker, and these Dunks are just sick. I love lows. They're super comfortable. Like they go with everything. So these I had to grab. Again, they're good quality. I wish you guys could feel this because it's such good quality, and like it feels so amazing. I'm gonna try these on actually. Oh my god, do you see these? The last pair of sneakers here, these are my brother's as well. Ooh, okay, Okay, sir. These are so nice. These are such good quality. Holy shit, these are so good. Oh my god, look at that. We got some Jordan 1s, OGs. Okay, these are, if you know sneakers, you know this is like the OG sneakerhead. Everyone wants these. Like, these are just so sick. Look at, these are so clean. Clean as hell. And in here we have another Dior box here. So let's open this one together. This one I'm excited for. This is so sick. What the hell? Okay, I wasn't gonna get this, but my brother was like, get it. So this, and I don't have anything like Dior, so this is so sick. Can you guys see that? That is so dope. It says Dior, and then on the chain, it has Dior on it. Is that gonna work? Okay, okay. We did something there. I just wanna say thank you to Fashionkicks again, and thank you to you guys. Honestly, guys, this is so crazy. I literally can't believe it. Like, it's so weird to me, but I'm so grateful and I can't say thank you enough. Honestly, this website's so sick, you guys. I put my friends on them and my family, and they literally just, they love their stuff. So yeah, definitely check them out. They have really good deals on sneakers. That's like my go-to, but I'm so excited to wear these. Thank you again to Fashionkicks. And yeah, if you guys want to get anything, use my coupon code. It'll be here on the screen and in the down bar below. But that was my giant shoe haul. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you like me, subscribe down below. I love y'all. Do not forget to love yourself. Until next time, I'll see y'all later. Peace out, scouts. Bye. This is crazy. And now you guys can see my dog. My doggy dog was waiting. Hi.